residency. English is not. Girl, I talking about. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl ᴜᴇ낳, and I'm on the way to get my mother freaking hair did. I had every intention to record with my camera, but this is my iPhone camera, so this is still my camera. But it's gonna be a little clearer, a little 4K-ish later. But yeah, I'm on the way to get my hair done. And I didn't want to just come on here with my hair done. Y'all be like, who the fuck is this? It's me, and I'm back. It's a little vloggy vlog, like a little vlog before the trip, and then I'm gonna give y'all a vlog for the trip. Type shit. Yeah, I'm back in action. So yeah, I'm about to stop at the bank right quick. I already got my nails done. I'm a little shorties, girl. So I like to get my nails short because I bowl. I do a lot of things with my hands. I can't get long nails. I pop them off quick. And I like to have my nubs done. So yeah, it's early in the morning. It's like 7:10. My appointment is at 7:30. I gotta stop at the bank, but she live on the same street as me, like the same street off my subdivision, so it only take but like hella miles down the street from me. So it's gonna take like maybe 15 minutes to get there, but you feel me? It's yeah, I gotta stop at the bank. But you know, hairdressers be having like 10 minute grace periods or whatever. So yeah, we gonna make that bit for sure. And if not, I'll be knocking at her door for sure. A rapper. Alright, the sun got me glowing, the skin looking but yeah, I'm gonna get back right with y'all when I am either done with my appointment or during my appointment. Alright. Okay, y'all. Let's focus a little bit. Your girl is back. Okay. So as y'all can see, I got my hair done, and I'm gonna link this wig in the description. Styled by Hair by Tiara. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure that y'all have her information. That will be in the description box as well. But y'all, I am in love time, girl. I did not look like this before. Yeah, I didn't have my camera with my SD card for my camera, but I took my camera, but I couldn't do nothing with it because I ain't had no SD card. But yeah, so this little pre-vlog before the vacation is really about to be lit. Y'all, I got so much that's in the works right now. So yeah, I gotta pack. Not only do I have to pack for this vacation, but when I come back, I'm moving out. Like literally the day after we come back from California, because that's where we're going to California. Your girl is moving out of her mama's house. I'm in the basement and it stinks. You man, living conditions. Let me stop for my mama find this and she be like, girl, what are you talking about? But anyway, y'all, this is a jam-packed vlog. Like, I ain't even gonna lie. Like, so I'm gonna run y'all down on the to-do list. So first we have, I gotta get my hair done, which I already got my hair done. And yeah, so I gotta take pictures for my wig review that I'm gonna do on Amazon. So yeah, which the Amazon will be in my store. Well, this wig will be in my storefront. I have a Shein haul because I got a couple of things for the vacation, and I have an Amazon travel finds haul that I'm gonna do in this vlog as well. And then I'm gonna do a pack with me. So yeah, we got of things to get into. Hopefully this is a little I want to make it short, sweet, and simple so that the travel vlog can be, you know, long, lit, and something that y'all actually want to see for real. So yeah, y'all, I'm so excited. Like, I'm back in motherfucking action, and yo, your girl is very busy. So yeah, and I got my nails done too. So this what they look like. Hello. I say I got my nails done like last week, to be honest. Y'all are like, she need a feeling. My business. You're in. And honestly, I don't even be getting long nails for real. Like, I get like a short, sweet, simple 1-2 on my nails because I don't do too much when it comes to my nails, which after I stop bowling, it's probably gonna change. As y'all can see, I cannot get this camera together, so hold on, let me get my life together. So yeah, it's probably looking a lot of a mess in here because your girl is moving the F out of here. I'm leaving. They're supposed to be sending me, girl, my landlord is supposed to be sending me my lease today, so I gotta sign my lease papers too, and then submit my deposit and stuff like that. That way when I come back, that I have everything together. And I ain't even gonna lie, your girl applied for EBT too, so I went on that lease to prove my residency.
Do the hokey pokey and turn your big ass around and get the fuck back to your fucking seat. The fuck is wrong with your ashy ass?
Residency English is not. Girl, I talking about shit. My Amazon finds, I had already unpacked everything kind of because like I wanted to see if it was the right things. I wanted to make sure my stuff was okay before I showed y'all my stuff. So I'm gonna just show y'all the stuff. Like, it's not gonna be unpackaged, but it's already unpackaged. So don't be on my case too much about like, oh, you been had this, or don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. What the fuck? We about to do the Amazon travel finds right now. Okay, so y'all, this is the portion where we're gonna get into the Amazon haul, the Amazon travel haul. So I got a couple of things for our travel, and again, we're going to California. We're going to different places in California, so we're not even gonna be in one spot for us. Like a road trip. Like, we going from San Diego to Los Angeles to Las Vegas. So it's definitely gonna be a jam-packed vlog, and I can't wait for y'all to see that. It's gonna be coming out sometime when we come back from the trip, but then I'm be moving into my new place, so I need to find like a little leeway or some room to like make another vlog or like find some time to edit. So these tubes, can y'all see them? And these are travel bottles, so just in case my soap or soap, lotions, all of that is too much, to like too big for the travel. I'm not trying to have TSA take my stuff for real. So these are so cute. What the fuck? Like, these are so cute. And here's the yellow one. But they're super soft. Little ASMR. Super soft. And then I'm gonna fill these up. I'm probably gonna do two with soaps. I have 2 different soaps that I want to use in these. And here's the top off. This is how you fill them up. You take the top off and you fill it up like that. and then you just put this back on, and then you use it on your truck. My packing cubes. And it comes with, it's just a set of 8. It's a set of 8 packing cubes. And so when we open it, here are the 8 different cubes. And then this is the toiletry bag that it came in. So I'm gonna put the toiletries in here, and my little soap dispensary things in here. I'm gonna show y'all these things in action too, that way that y'all like see what I'm using it for and like how convenient it is. So yeah, I got a neck rest for the plane, baby, and it is fully deflated now. When it first comes, it's gonna look a little mid, but they say give it 24 hours before it's fully inflated. So yeah, I'm gonna be on the plane like and it's super freaking soft. You see that bounce back? And I got an earring set in gold because when we go out to our formal dinner, and it's like literally like 64 pairs of earrings came in these, and they got stuff from like hoops to studs to like everything you can think of in here. And I was like, this is perfect. This is perfect for the trip. That's a 45 pairs in there, and I think I got it for $15. I got 42 pairs of earrings for $15. Who's beating it? Who's beating it? You said Shein. You right. My bad. Stinker. It's gonna be hot. And I like bears. Look, it's so cute. It's a fan. So like you just open it from the back like that, right? And so she's out, and it goes, ooh. It just feels so good. And it's a 2-speed too. Yeah, taste it. So yeah, there's her. And then when you close it and then you hold the power button, super cute. And I had to get brown because if it's gonna be a bear, it's gonna be a brown bear. Ooh, baby, your girl had to. I had to do it. Everybody always talking about how my phone did, but nobody ever bought me one of these. So it's like, let me do my big one and buy me a freaking portable charger pack, right? So just plug it in and hey. And I got gray to match my freaking outfit. Call me what you want, but you ain't gonna call me mismatch. So this is what the inside looks like. And we got like us a little strap to hold everything down. I will say about this one that I don't like is the fact that it doesn't have a zipper around it so that I could put shoes under there. But we can work around that. And here's the top portion.
little zip around. So yeah, so I guess we could just use the straps to keep shoes down or whatever. So yeah, this is real convenient, real nice. And yeah, this is what she looks like. Very, very spacious. Nice little carry-on. And then we got our packing cubes that's going in here. And so yeah, we could put different stuff for different things in the packing cube. So yeah, and then I got this brown dress because we're supposed to be doing a formal dinner, and the theme is kind of like the Browns family, like. So people are wearing chocolate, people are wearing champagne, people are wearing all types of browns in our brown melanated skin, you know? Stop playing with yourself and just go get it. Like, if you want it, go get it. Like, who's stopping? I gotta, like, come all the way back here. It's alright, because in the new setup, baby, we not playing games. Like, the new setup, baby, it's gonna be different. This is what the front would look like if I wanted to do it like this. Hold it. Yes, I've been in the gym. Why you ask? Yes, I've been in the gym. We working, baby. This. And then tie it up in the back like that. It's looking good, and I'm gonna be looking good as fuck for dinner. So yeah. You see it. And now I'm back in my element. Other than that, like, next I'm probably gonna do my Shein haul, but like right now I'm probably about to take like my product pictures or whatever and post my review so I can get like looked at and posted, and then these people can send me my money back for paying for this wig. Oh, I forgot to show y'all my little perfume things, but I got these as well, because the perfumes that I have are probably too big for TSA. So to prevent them from taking my very expensive perfumes, I'm gonna be putting it in here. Let me unwrap them so y'all can see them. Then you just insert them at the bottom, and you put them on the top, and then they fill them up, and then you want it on there. So these two, and I paid $5 per two, and then the 3-pack is $8. So, but yeah. So I'm coming up on 30 minutes, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next thing that we doing today in our to-do list.